Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Tableau extensions. I've already made a video on it in which I have explained 4 important extensions in Tableau. They are TWB, TWBX, TDS and TDSX. Today's video is a continuation of the same. I will be explaining the other extensions available. Before we get into the topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what went well and what could have been better. Let's get started. Let's discuss the other Tableau extensions. They are TDE, Hyper, TBM, TMS, TPS. .TDE. The full form of TDE is Tableau Desktop Extract. Depending on the Tableau Desktop version we use, the extension will vary. If it's before Tableau 10.5 version, it is called Tableau Desktop Extract, which is nothing but TDE. Extracts are a local copy of a subset or entire dataset that you can use to share with others when you need to work offline and improve performance. Hyper. Hyper is Tableau's in-memory data engine technology optimized for fast data ingest and analytical query processing on large or complex datasets. The introduction of Hyper resulted in a number of changes related to Tableau. Hyper has been introduced in Tableau 10.5 version. From then, the extracts are called as Hyper instead of TDE. .TBM. The full form of TBM is Tableau Bookmark. These file types in Tableau are most commonly used to save worksheets. .TBM file can be shared with others so that they can use it in the workbooks without having to create a new worksheet from scratch. But this was needed only in the older versions of Tableau, like Tableau 8.1. In the latest versions, copy and paste option has been introduced, through which we can copy the sheets from one workbook to other workbook. The next one is TMS. TMS is nothing but Tableau Map Source. A Tableau Map Source files contains information about maps and its elements for use in Tableau. As per the default settings, Tableau will fetch map details like background and other layers from a certain map server or provider. For example, if we are creating a map related to Indian population density, and if we upload a TMS file related to India, then we don't need to worry about the map settings. It will automatically create map along with all the regions. The next one is .TPS. TPS file is nothing but Tableau preference file. In Tableau, while adding dimensions to color, we see different color palettes which are available by default. But if we don't like to use the existing color palette and feel like creating our own palette, that's when .TPS files come into picture. You can create a custom color palette or a theme and save it as a .TPS file so that you can use it in the workbook at once. The Tableau preference file exists in XML format and are saved in Tableau repository. That's all about the extensions. Thanks for watching and listening patiently. Have a nice day.